Something that excites me about the Paperless Part and Autodesk partnership is our shared vision of an open ecosystem. We enable data to be accessed granularly from anywhere at any time, securely. My name is Jeremy Stadtmueller. I'm a Director of Product Management. Autodesk Fusion is a design and make platform that connects data throughout the manufacturing process. Paperless Parts is one of our key partners that allows us to leverage that open data connectivity that Fusion is built on. It enables customers to be able to connect seamlessly and avoid things like errors, making sure the right part in the right place at the right time. So the ability to check tolerances, to look at individual pieces of information on a drawing, all the way down to the part numbers and individual metadata across a design. Having that connected platform between Fusion and Paperless Parts means that quotes can be faster and allow our customers and their customers to compete globally. That isn't the end though. Manufacturing is a connected process. There are updates, there are changes. This allows for continuous improvement and continuous connectivity. So when changes need to be made, whether it's based on tolerancing, manufacturing processes, that data is fully connected. They can push those changes from Paperless Parts into Fusion, make machining strategy changes, design changes, and have those outputs automatically consumed back into Paperless Parts. Autodesk and Paperless Parts have a shared vision of saving customers time and money. With Autodesk Connected Platform, design and make has never been simpler. You're able to integrate things like CAD, CAM, simulation, and factory design, and really move as fast as your business needs to. What Autodesk and Paperless Parts have built is exciting. That's nothing compared to what we will do in the future. Because we both embrace this open architecture, we're able to collaborate and deliver together. I can't wait to see what we will deliver for our customers next.